Case name Hari Singh, age is 20 years and today date is 11th of March 2024. So मुझे स्पीच सैंपल चाहिए बिफोर ट्रीटमेंट. क्यों आए यहाँ पे?
मेरा राइट साइड का वोकल कार्ड था, वो पैरालिसिस हो गया है बाइक एक्सीडेंट 10 जनवरी 2022. आज से लगभग 2 साल हो गए. तो राइट साइड का वोकल कार्ड पैरालिसिस हो गया है, जिस कारण वो मृत्यु हो गई है.
After 8 days voice therapy and voice sample of Hari Singh and today date is 18th of March 2024. तो क्यों आए थे और कैसा लग रहा ट्रीटमेंट के बाद, क्या प्रॉब्लम थी?
I am from Rajasthan. I come here for vocal cord speech therapy of vocal cord paralysis. From first day till today, I am noticing some difference in my voice. And
yeah, so actually in fact this is not the end of the treatment. We'll be treating you in a hybrid mode. 8 days we have given here in the clinic treatment, and we'll be giving some online few sessions as well in the future, and then we'll combine all the 3 videos, like first day, then the after 8 days, and then at the end of the treatment. So those who are watching, you just try to watch that videos also. अपनी hobbies बताइए.
My hobby is playing cricket and some playing games. And
so you have recorded your voice sample on the first day and today. What difference you observed in the voice sample?
I am noticing some difference in my voice from first.
Have you spoken any people today or yesterday, any of your relatives?
I spoke yesterday to my moms and tell them some difference they notice some difference in my voice.
Okay, your mom told there is some difference. Okay, so can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yeah, of course.
Thanks for giving permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive change, please like this video, share this video, so that people having vocal cord paralysis and dysphonia, they can get some hope and motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for the watching.